the kind of main lyric, the pineapple bit, I think I heard some homeless guy say, he said something like pineapples are in my head. And I was like, oh, that's quite funny. Got stuck in my head. And that evolved into a song somehow. Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Well, we're looking forward to it. Whenever you're ready, boys, it's time to boog. For Like a Version this morning, Glass Animals doing their original Pork Soda. Take it away.
Pineapples are in my head. Got nobody 'cause I'm brain dead. Oh, pineapples are in my head. Got nobody 'cause I'm brain dead. Somewhere in South End when you were fun, you took my hand and you made me run up past the prison to the seafront. You climbed the cliff edge and took the plunge. Why can't we laugh now like we did then? How come I see you in aching state? How come you only pleased in bed? Let's climb the cliff edge and jump again. Pineapples are in my head. Got nobody 'cause I'm brain dead. Somebody said that I fucking slum. Don't know that I belong. Maybe I'm fucking dumb. Maybe I'm just a bum. Maybe you're fucking scum. Don't you go psycho chum. I want you for the word. I want you all the time. Stop. Pineapples are in my head. Got nobody 'cause I'm brain dead. Pineapples are in my head. Got nobody 'cause I'm brain dead. 5,000 footsteps in your way to tread. Back through the house with your arms round my neck. We drank pork soda with tangled legs. I won't forget how you looked at me then. I know I'm no sweet press love. Those times that we got drunk. Maybe Jamaica rum. Maybe some Johnny Dog. Maybe you still think of us. Phone buzzing, still I jump. Why don't I say it then? I want you all the time. Why can't we laugh now like we did then? How come I see you in aching state? How come you only look pleased in bed? Let's climb the cliff edge and jump again. Woo! Pineapples are in my head. Got nobody 'cause I'm brain dead. Oh, pineapples are in my head. Got nobody 'cause I'm brain dead. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, fellas, that was awesome.